High-strength aluminum forms the foundation of the Phantom's architecture. Computer-guided lasers cut each panel with exceptional accuracy. Every Rolls-Royce Phantom begins with extraordinary craftsmanship and precision engineering. Today, we follow the
powerful stamping systems create the Phantom's iconic body lines. Every curve is engineered for elegance and precision. Specialized treatments ensure maximum paint adhesion. This stage protects the Phantom for years to come. The primer is cured under carefully controlled temperatures. This process creates a durable foundation for luxury paintwork. The first protective coating is applied with robotic precision. This primer creates the foundation for the Phantom's flawless finish. Each panel is digitally measured to ensure perfect alignment. Luxury begins with uncompromising accuracy. Every painted surface is inspected before color application. Only flawless panels move forward. Before moving forward, every structure is thoroughly inspected. Only perfect assemblies continue the journey. The aluminum architecture begins taking shape. Robotic precision ensures flawless assembly. Advanced joining technologies strengthen the Phantom structure. Every connection contributes to exceptional refinement. Surface perfection requires meticulous preparation. Even microscopic imperfections are removed. The Phantom receives its signature handcrafted finish. Multiple layers ensure exceptional depth and brilliance. Layer upon layer builds the Phantom's stunning appearance. Precision automation guarantees consistency. A crystal-clear protective layer seals the finish. It enhances both shine and long-term durability. The heart of the Phantom is its handcrafted V12 engine. Every component is inspected before final assembly.
Critical systems are added to complete the V12 assembly. Precision installation ensures long-term reliability.
The V12 engine is carefully lowered into position. Laser-guided alignment ensures perfect placement.
The engine becomes one with the chassis. Every fastener is tightened to exact specifications. The transmission is matched to the powerful V12 engine. Together, they deliver effortless performance.
Power is routed through a carefully balanced drivetrain. Precision alignment minimizes vibration and noise. The exhaust system is engineered for refinement and efficiency. Every section is carefully fitted beneath the chassis.
High-performance braking systems ensure confident control. Each component is installed to exact standards.
Complex braking electronics are integrated into the chassis. Every connection is carefully verified. With wheels installed, the Phantom becomes a rolling platform. The foundation is now ready for body integration. The most important assembly stage is about to begin. Body and chassis are united with millimeter precision. Advanced positioning systems guide every movement. Accuracy is critical during body integration. The Phantom's body and chassis become one structure. Every mounting point is secured to exact specifications.
Critical systems are linked throughout the vehicle. Thousands of connections must function perfectly.
The Phantom contains advanced electrical architecture. Each wire is routed with meticulous care.
Modern luxury relies on sophisticated electronics. Control systems are installed throughout the vehicle. The handcrafted dashboard becomes the centerpiece of the cabin. Every component is fitted with exceptional precision. Natural wood veneers are selected for perfect grain consistency. Craftsmanship defines every detail.
Premium leather transforms the cabin environment. Hand-finished materials elevate the ownership experience. The iconic Phantom seating experience begins here. Every seat combines comfort, technology, and craftsmanship.
The luxury cabin continues to take shape. Attention to detail defines every Phantom interior.
The famous Starlight headliner is handcrafted fiber by fiber. Each light point contributes to a celestial atmosphere. The Starlight headliner comes alive. A signature Rolls-Royce feature is now complete. Advanced technology integrates seamlessly into the cabin. Luxury and innovation work together. The Phantom's iconic coach doors receive final assembly. Each component is carefully fitted for perfect operation. Perfect door alignment is essential for refinement. Engineers carefully adjust every mounting point. Precision-installed glass contributes to cabin silence. Every panel is bonded with exact accuracy. Specialized insulation enhances comfort and quietness. Every seal contributes to the Phantom experience. The iconic front fascia begins to emerge. Every chrome detail reflects exceptional craftsmanship. The spirit of ecstasy takes its place at the front of the Phantom. A timeless symbol of luxury and prestige. Essential operating fluids are added before testing begins. Each system receives precisely measured quantities. Every fluid system is carefully prepared. Precision filling supports reliable vehicle operation. The vehicle receives electrical power for the first time. Advanced systems begin their startup sequence. Thousands of electronic functions are verified. Software and hardware must operate flawlessly. The moment has arrived for the Phantom's first heartbeat. Engine systems are checked one final time. The handcrafted V12 comes to life. Engine performance is immediately monitored. Vehicle systems are electronically calibrated. Every parameter is optimized for refinement. Precise alignment ensures exceptional handling. Laser systems verify every angle. Powertrain performance is evaluated under controlled conditions. Engineers verify smooth operation throughout the system. Every Phantom undergoes rigorous water sealing tests. Luxury demands complete protection from the elements. Advanced testing systems simulate years of driving. Every suspension component is carefully evaluated.
The Phantom's famous ride quality is precisely measured. Engineers fine-tune comfort characteristics.
Cabin quietness is one of the Phantom's defining qualities. Every source of noise is carefully monitored.
Every luxury feature must operate flawlessly. Comprehensive electronic validation is essential. Lighting performance is carefully verified. Every illumination system meets exact standards. The exterior finish faces one final examination. Even the smallest imperfection is unacceptable.
Master craftsmen perfect the final finish by hand. The result is extraordinary visual depth.
The handcrafted cabin receives meticulous attention. Every detail is inspected and refined.
Thousands of quality checkpoints are verified. The Phantom must meet the highest standards.
After extensive testing and inspection, approval is granted. This Phantom is now ready for delivery preparation. With approval complete, the Phantom enters delivery preparation. Protective coverings preserve its flawless finish. Interior and exterior components receive transport protection. Every detail is safeguarded before shipping. Each Phantom receives complete documentation and certification. Every vehicle is individually recorded and tracked. Official photographs document the completed vehicle. Every angle highlights the Phantom's craftsmanship. Global logistics teams coordinate each delivery. Every route is carefully planned. The Phantom transforms travel into an experience. Every journey feels effortless and refined. For the first time, the Phantom leaves the assembly area. Its journey toward the customer begins. Specialized transport equipment protects the vehicle in transit. Every movement is carefully controlled. Shipping teams perform one final verification. Every delivery detail is confirmed. The completed Phantom begins its journey to its future owner. A masterpiece of luxury, is ready for the world. Beyond craftsmanship lies effortless performance. The Phantom delivers unmatched comfort on every journey.
After an extraordinary journey, the Phantom reaches its destination. The final preparations are about to begin.
The protective coverings are removed. The Phantom's flawless finish is revealed once again.
A final detailing session perfects every surface. The Phantom is prepared for its grand reveal.
The result of thousands of hours of craftsmanship. A true masterpiece of luxury engineering. From raw materials to automotive perfection, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom represents the pinnacle of luxury.